Welcome back, children. Yes, today we'll start, that is the measurement of volume. This is the session 2. Yes, so in session 1 you learned how to measuring and also how to convert, so what it is, liter to milliliter and milliliter to liter. Yes, so before class you already studied. So in this class now we will start, that is addition of volume. Yes, so in this addition of volume, they can given here first example. Yes, we can see the example first, that is Abhijit used three different color paints for his house. He used 12 liter 500 ml of white paint, 3 liter 0 ml of brown paint, and 1 liter 0 ml of black paint. Find the total quantity of paint used by him. Yes, so here see students, in this question Abhijit is used 3 different coloring for his, give the color of his house. Okay, next he used that 12 liter 500 ml of white paint he used, then next 3 liter of brown paint and 1 liter of black paint he is used. Totally how much quantity of paint he used to for his house? Okay, yes, answer will write here. See, volume of white paint, white color paint, how much he used here, white color paint, that is 12 liter 500 ml. Okay, next, that is next one, volume of brown paint, brown color paint he used, that is 3 liter 0 ml. Next, that is another one, volume of black color, paint is how much he used to give on a paint, 1 liter 0 ml. Totally how much quantity of paint he used for his house? Yes, 0 0 0, I'll write here, ml mentioned here, 0 plus 0 plus 0 0, 5 plus 0 plus 5 plus 0 is 5, 5 again 5 plus 0 is 5. Yes, so liter will mention 12 plus 3 is how much? 15, 15 plus 1 is 16. So we'll write here total volume of paint. How much? Total volume of paint is 16 liter 500 ml. Yes, we add these 3 paints, we can get total volume of paint. Understood this one? Okay. Same way you can going the exercise 13.3. Okay. So first main, add the following. Yes, 250 ml plus 500 ml. Second one, 400 ml plus 500 ml. Next, third one, 125 ml, 220 ml. Fourth one, 3 liter 500 ml, 5 liter 200 ml. So we add the following. Yes, so here we will add these two. Okay, ml will write here 0 plus 0 0, 5 plus 0 5, 5 plus 2 is how much? 5 plus 2 is 7. Answer is 750 ml. Second one, so 0 plus 0 0, 0 plus 0 0, 5 plus 4 is 9, 900 ml. Next one, mention here 0, 5 plus 0 is 5, 2 plus 2 is 4, 2 plus 1 is 3, 345 ml. Next, that is we see. Yes, see, third one answer is 345 ml. Yes, next one, fourth one you see here, we will mention ml here, 0 plus 0 0, 0 plus 0 0, 5 plus 2 is 7, 5 plus 3 is 8. So 8 liter 700 ml. Yes, this is the first main. So next one we will see the second main question. Okay. Yes, second main they can mention here, solve these problems. These problems. Okay. Yes. So they can given here. First one, a milkman delivered 85 liter 250 ml of milk to dairy on Monday and 97 liter 500 ml of milk on Tuesday. Yes, find the total quantity of milk he delivered in those 2 days. Yes, so here we can understanding a milkman delivered 85 liter 250 ml of milk. So on Monday he is what it is give to a dairy, and second that is in Tuesday, so 97 liter and 500 ml of what milk he delivered. So total what we can find in here? We can find the total quantity of milk he delivered on considering these 2 days. Okay, yes. So here we'll write here milk delivered on Monday. How much he delivered on Monday? Monday 85 liter 250 ml. Next, milk delivered on Tuesday. Milk delivered on Tuesday is equal to 97 liter 400 ml. Yes. Okay. So total what we will be finding now here? Total milk delivered. Total milk delivered. Yes. So how much milk he is delivered? So those 2 days. Okay. Here see we'll add these two ml. 0 plus 0 0. 5 plus 0 5. 5 plus 2 is 7. Liter will mention here. So here 5 plus 7. How much? How much? 12. Yes. So 5 plus 7 is 12. Give a carry 1. So 9. 8 plus 1 9. 9 plus 9 is how much? 18. 182 liter 750 ml of milk he delivered within 2 days. Understood that one? Okay, this is first one. See that second one they can given. Second one, that is Hari has 3 buckets of capacities 9 liter, 15 liter and 20 liter. How much water can be stored in the 3 containers. Okay, yes. So Hari has 3 buckets of capacities of what? Water. So those 3 buckets are having 9 liter, 15 liter and 20 liter. So how much water can be stored in the container? Total in 3 buckets, how much water we can be stored? Yes, now we will be calculate. So answer will write water in the first bucket. How much that is? First container or as first bucket will take. Yes. So how much water in first bucket is equal to 9 liter. Then next water in the second bucket equal to how much? 15 liter. Next water in the third bucket is equal to 20 liter. So we'll calculate now. Okay, so here liter will mention here 9 plus 5 is 14. Give a carry 1. 1 plus 1 2. 2 plus 2 4. Total how much water he is stored here? Total stored water is equal to 44 liter. This means Hari has stored a water in a 3 container, totally 3 containers. How much? 44 liter. Understood this one? So we add these. So students, remaining 2 are they can given here. So you will be solve yourselves. Yes, remaining 3 are there. Yes, okay. So next we are going that subtraction of measurement of volume. Yes. Next one, subtraction of measurement of volume. Now what you studied now? You studied addition of volume. Yes. Next we will study subtraction of volume. Yes. Subtraction of the measurement of volume. Measurement of volume. Yes, now we will be studying. Yes, so they can given here example. One example we'll see here, that is a school tank. A school tank has the capacity of 400 liter, 200 liter of water is used for school gardening. So how much of water is remaining in the tank? Yes. So here see what we will studying now here, subtraction of measurement of volume. Yes, here see a school tank has the capacities of 400 liter and 200 liter of water is used for the school gardening. Yes, so how much of water is remaining in the tank? So this much of water they can be using here. Total how much is remaining? So left out water how much we will be finding now. Yes, so here we'll write as quantity of water in the tank. How much is there in the tank? Total quantity of water is 400 liter. So capacity of water holding. Yes, so quantity of water used. Quantity of water used for gardening. How much they are using for gardening? 200 liter. Yes, so remaining quantity of water in the tank is how much? Here see what we will be do now. We will subtract, because we will study what? Subtraction of measurement of volume. Yes, so they can mention here what we will be finding, remaining water. Yes, so here liter, 0 minus 0 0, 0 minus 0 0, 5 minus 2 is 3. It means so the remaining quantity of water in the tank how much is there? 300 liter. Yes, so capacity of filling water 500 liter. They used for gardening how much? 200 liters. So remaining how much water is there in the tank? That is 300 liter. Understood this one? Okay, students, we'll see the exercise, that is 13.4. Yes, see exercise 13.4. Okay, see, we'll write now exercise 13.4. First one they can given here. First main, subtract the following. Subtract the following. Yes, first one, 800 ml minus 400 ml. Okay, second one, 400 ml 350 ml. Third one, 181 ml 81 ml. Fourth one, 29 liter 870 ml 14 liter 600 ml. Fifth one, 169 liter 870 ml minus 25 liter 450 ml. So we'll subtract now. Okay, see here, first one, 0 minus 0 0, 0 minus 0 0, 8 minus 5 is 3. Yes, so answer 300 milliliter. Okay, so next one, that is 0 minus 0 0, here 0 is there, here 5 is there, so 5 is bigger than the 0. What we will be do here? We will take from 1 this side. Okay, so that is 10 minus 5 is 5. Okay, next 4 minus 3 is 1, 150 ml. Next, that is 1 minus 1 0, 8 minus 8 0, 1 as it is, so 100 ml. That is third one. Next one, 0 0 minus 0, 7 as it is will write, 8 minus 6 is 2. Okay, so here we'll write liter, 9 minus 4 is 5, 2 minus 1 is 1, 15 liter 270 ml. Next one, that is here 0 minus 0 0. Okay, 7 minus 5 is 2, 8 minus 4 is 4. Okay, next 9 minus 5 is 4, 6 minus 2 is 4, 1 remain, 144 liter 420 ml. Here 15 liter 270 ml. This is 300 ml. This is 150 ml. That is 100 ml. Yes, this is first main. Next we will see that is second main. Second main, solve. First one, Sarita bought 3 liter 500 ml of kerosene. She used how much? 2 liter 250 ml of kerosene, and how much quantity of kerosene how much quantity of kerosene remains. Yes, so we'll find out remaining kerosene, quantity of kerosene. So we'll write here quantity of kerosene, bought, how much she bought? 3 liter 500 ml. Okay, next one, quantity of kerosene used, how much she used here? That is 2 liter 250 ml. Yes, so total how much we will be finding here? Quantity of kerosene remains. How much it remained? Yes, okay, we'll see here. What we will be do now? We will subtract. 0 minus 0, 0. Yes, so here 10 will take, here 4 will be do. So 10 minus 5 is 5. 4 minus 2 is 2. Okay, 3 minus 2 is 1. So total, it means the quantity of kerosene is remained 1 liter 250 ml. Okay, yes. So next one, that is next one, that is we'll do, that is third one we will do. Okay, so second one you only do yourselves. Third one, the capacity of water tank is 500 liter. The tank contains 375 liter of water. How much water should be? How much water should be poured to fill the tank to its capacity? Yes, so the capacity of water tank is how much? That is 500 liter. The tank contains how much? 375 liter of water. How much water should be poured to fill the tank to its capacity, to it reach the tank to its capacity? Yes, so we'll do here capacity of water tank. Capacity of water tank is how much is there? 500 liter. Okay, so actual water contains, in the tank, how much is there? In the tank 375 liter. Yes, so more water, how much we will be filling now? More water to be filled, Okay, so liter will mention here. Yes, we'll see here. So 0, it's 5 is there, so it can't go, so we'll take here. So it's become as how much? It's 9, so it will take as here, so 10. So okay, again it will be do 4. Okay, so it's a 9, it will comes as 9. 1 from you will be take that side, so it will become 19. Again it will take as 4. So here we will see 10 minus 5 is 5. So next one we will see here. So how much? 9 minus 7 is how much? 9 minus 7 is, yes, 2. 4 minus 3 is 1. So it needs to fill 125 liter. How much it's liter to fill here? 125 liter to fill the tank. Yes, okay. Next one, that is, we'll see fifth one. Okay, so you will be try fourth one. So you do yourselves. So next we are going, that is fifth one. Fifth one, Rajiv fills 12 liter 800 ml of petrol to his car. After traveling a certain distance, only 3 liter 400 ml of petrol is remaining in the tank. Is remaining in the tank. How much petrol was used for the journey? Yes, so how much petrol is used for the journey? Okay, so here Rajiv fills how much? So Rajiv fills 12 liter 800 ml of petrol to his car. After traveling a certain distance, only 3 liter 500 ml of petrol is remaining in the car. Okay, that is in the tank. So how much petrol is used for that journey? Yes, here total petrol filled in the car, how much? That is 12 liter 800 ml. Next, petrol remaining in the car after traveling. So how much is there remaining in the car after traveling? 3 liter 500 ml. So quantity of petrol used for journey. Yes, we'll calculate now. 0 minus 0 0, 0 minus 0 0, 8 minus 5 3. So liter. 12 minus 3 how much? 9. So we can get answer, that is remaining the quantity of petrol is used for journey how much? 9 liter 300 ml. Okay, understood this one? Okay, so students, I hope you understood this one. So next we are going to that exercise 13.3, that is they can given here estimating volume. Yes, so we can see the estimating value, that is exercise 13.5. Yes, you can see they can be given here. So the exercise 13.5. Yes, we can see here. So in this exercise, put a tick right mark on the correct option to show the estimated capacity of the following. Here see students, here they can given here glass. Yes, in this glass, so having 200 ml of water is there, or 200 liter of water it can be capacity to fill. Only this much of glass. So its capacity is not a liter, its capacity is only 200 ml of water. Here we will be do a right mark. Okay, second one, this is a bowl, so it's a capacity of water to fill. So how much is there its capacity, whatever we will be what it is put in the bowl, so its capacity is how much, 20 liter or 500 ml. 20 liter capacity is there or 500 ml capacity is there. So it's not a big, only its capacity is 500 ml. Understood? So we can be tick a mark in the column. So next one, this is a bottle, water bottle. Its capacity is 600 liter or 500 ml. 600 liter or 500 ml. So this bottle capacity, so only capacity of bottle is 400 ml. Half liter bottle this is. Okay. Okay, can we do a mark here. Next one, this vessel they can be given here. Okay, so this vessel capacity is 1 liter or 8 liter. So see the vessel, its capacity, it's to fill its capacity 1 liter as or it is 8 liter. You can see the things and we will be tell that how much capacity is there. It's this container. Yes, so its container is capacity only 1 liter. Okay, next one, bucket they can be given here. Yes, so in this bucket having capacity 15 liter or as 15 ml. See the bucket, it's a big capacity is here 15 liter of water, it's a capacity. Understood this one? Okay, so it can be marked here 15 liter. Next one, this syringe they can be given here. So its capacity is 10 ml or as a 10 liter. See this what it is, syringe capacity is 10 liter? No, only 10 ml. Yes, so can be write a mark in the 10 ml. Okay, next one they can be given here, that is fill up the blanks by estimating volume. They can given here first one, the volume of water in a school tank, how much its capacity to fill here. The volume of water in the school tank is, that is in the liter form or as a milliliter form. Yes, so its a capacity is 500 liter. How much? 500 liters. Okay, or as 1000 liters. Okay, next one, the volume of water in a water jug, how much capacity it's having water, which one, water jug, it may be 1 liter or as 2 liter. Yes, so that is second one, 1 liter. Next one, third one, a volume of water a cow drinks per day. So water, how much it drinks per day, it may be 8 to 10 liter per day. So it drinks 8 to 10 liters. Okay, next one, that is fourth one, volume of water an adult drinks per day. Per day how much water you will drink adults, that is 2 liter. Yes, So 2 liter of water adult should be drink per day. Okay, yes students, so they can be given here, that is third main, write the estimated volume and actual volume of the following by measuring with the standard unit of measurement. So take the help of your elders. If you are in the class we only do, but you are not in the class, you can be take your help of elders. Okay, so example, so they can given here example, here estimated value, so here actual, estimated means here approximate value, not it is correct value. Okay, so we can see and tell. Actual means we will be measure and will write. Yes, that is actual volume. So first one they can given here, water in a water filter, how much it can be estimated, for example will tell here, so up to 8 liter capacity of water. So but actual is it's a capacity of water is, so that is 5 liter of water, like. Okay, so water in a water bottle, how much capacity actual and then estimated. Water in the sump how much it's having, underground the water tank it is there, no, that is we can call sump. So what it's the capacity of water, estimated how much, it may be a 3000 liter of water or as 4000 liter of water. So actually how much it's a volume, so it may be actually 2.5, it means 2500 liter water. Yes, so it will be mentioned, this is your part. Okay, yes students, so today we'll complete this lesson. Yes, tomorrow we'll start, that is the chapter that is 14, time. Yes, so today we'll complete this one. I hope you understood this lesson. Thank you.